Welcome to another video from Gradelink websites. In this video, we'll go through the specific steps how to update the availability on your tour scheduling tool, which is built into your website. So, for example, if you want to update the general availability, aside from what specific modifications that may occur by Google Calendar Sync or other things, you just want to update the availability that is present on a typical basis. Here are the steps. First, log into your website dashboard. From there, scroll down to the bottom of the sidebar and hover over appointments, then click on appointment types. Once that loads up, click on the settings icon for the appointment type that you wish to edit. In this case, it's schedule a tour, as we are editing the tour availability dates. And you'll see a pop-up. Click on the edit option. From here, all of these settings are already set up. So specifically to adjust availability, we'll click on the availability tab and open that up. And here you have available blocks set up. So you can adjust these settings, but the availability is controlled by the colored blocks. So you can see here we have 8 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. If we wanted to, say, add additional availability, we can cycle through and view more of these time blocks. And let's say we wanted to add availability for Friday from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. So we simply have to click and drag and color in all these blocks on the day that you want. So as you can see, you can even color in specific blocks. And these are in half-hour increments as it's set for show appointment times every, and then the following increments. So if I set this up and I click Save, I can then go to the front end of the website and view the availability, which is now changed. Go to the Schedule a Tour page where the form is embedded, and I can now see that if I click on a Friday, I've got all this time available because I colored in those blocks. Going back here, if I click on the settings icon again and click Edit, I can then go, and if I click on a colored block or click and drag, I can then erase those available blocks, and it will make them no longer available on this tour scheduling calendar. So if I refresh this, I can now see that the only next available appointment is on Tuesday, or even if I switch over to next month, it's only on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and I can only select from 8:30 to 2 p.m. and this is Eastern time in this case. So that's how you adjust your availability. There is one other option that you can utilize, and if you click on the availability tab again, you can actually switch from available blocks to specific start times. And in this case, you have dots. The click and drag doesn't work here. You would have to click on each dot in order to either erase it or place it, and so on. So this is useful if you have kind of sporadic availability at specific start times throughout the day. But typically, available blocks works quite well. So that's all there is to it. Please reach out to Gradelink website support with any additional questions.